Hey folks, this is back from Zeplin. I'm one of the co-founders. We've been experimenting with AI for a while now in Zeplin, trying to find ways where it can be truly helpful so it doesn't feel like we've forced AI into the product. And today I'm pretty excited to walk you through one of our first AI-powered features, AI Design Review. You can think of AI Design Review as like your second set of eyes before you share your designs with devs. It scans through the designs and flags issues that you or your teammates might have missed. The first thing you will need is to have some of your designs in Zeplin. If you're totally new to Zeplin, you can start by using our design tool plugins and publish your designs over. But once you're ready, you can simply select some of your designs and then click AI Design Review down here. The first thing you will need to do is to select some of these categories. I will select these for now, and while the review is in progress, I can walk you through what these categories do. First up, we have spelling and grammar, which is pretty self-explanatory. It looks for things like typos, but also for things like case inconsistencies. Then we have layout, which really looks at layout inconsistencies where, for example, you might have a padding of 12 on the left or and 11 pixels on the right. So these types of things will get flagged by the layout category. Then we have contrast, which is an accessibility category, which looks at color contrast values. And then finally, we have color, which is related to style guides in Zeplin, where it makes sure that you're using the right variables, components, and so on. So you can also enable other categories related to the style guide. You will notice that as these are loading, the comments are rolling in, so we can start looking at some of these. Looks like here we have a contrast issue. You can learn more about this issue here, and if this is something you want to fix right away, you can actually click this Figma link, and it will take you back to the Figma file, and the layer there will be selected so you can fix it right away. Or if this is something you want to look at later, you can mark it as resolved or delete it for now. Looks like we have a couple more issues down here. Let's look at this one first. This is about casing inconsistency. It sort of compared these two values and realized sign out with the O here is not capitalized, but the P here is. So, if, again, this is something you want to fix, you can do that by clicking the Figma link. And then finally, it looks like we have a layout issue where it says text is not perfectly centered. So let's look at it. Yeah, it looks like we have 15 pixels to the top and then 14 to the bottom. These might be intentional in some cases. But the AI will still flag issues that might not be intentional. But it's really easy to resolve these. Or what you can do is actually you can talk to the AI directly here. I had a couple of prompts that I had from before. I can say something like ignore layout issues is if the error is within 2 pixels. So I can just say that, and it should just get rid of all of the layout issues in all of the screens that we've selected, where the error margin is like within 2 pixels. Another thing that you can do here is you can actually ask AI to give you more explanations about some of these issues. So if you're confused about any of them, you can just ask for more details. And yeah, it looks like it did hide 4 layout issues where there's an error margin of 2 pixels or less. So yeah, this is AI Design Review. Give the feature a try, and if you have any feedback on things we can improve or new categories that we can add, please let us know. It would be very helpful. And yeah, thank you so much.